So I'm definitely a space nerd. I love the idea of space flight, space travel. As a teacher, especially a STEM teacher, I love inspiring my students with all the different types of real practical types of careers and things that they can use those science, technology, engineering, and math skills to do in space travel, space flight. So searching across eBay recently, and there was a bunch of NASA old, like from the 60s, 70s, 50s brochures, like some technical printouts, and you get 3 of them for $10. So of course I'm going to splurge for that and see what they look like. So let's see what we got. There are 3 random ones. The Pioneer 8 Cosmic Dust Experiment. Wow, so Pioneer 8, what an incredible exploration process that was. Explorer 35 Attitude Control System. So I'll be able to show my students, hey, attitude is more than how you feel and how you act. There's something that has to do with space and flight that has to do with attitude. And technical note, hovering and transitioning flight tests of a 1/5 scale model of a jet-powered vertical attitude VTOL research airplane. Wow. And these are from like 1961, this one's marked. I don't even know what dates some of these others are, but they are incredible pieces of history. Look at that. It even looks like it was typed on a computer. I know it's not. It was, and so we got some graphs, but definitely some incredible history that I can share with my students. You know, sometimes $10, it's worth it.